aircraft. The time, 7:55 in the morning. The place, Pearl Harbor. The date, December the 7th, 1941. And you are there. The Nakajima B-5N Kate, the Ayachi D-3A dive bomber, and the Mitsubishi A6N0. Almost a year prior to the invasion, Admiral Isoroku Yamamoto had ordered Commander Minoru Genda, one of the brightest minds of the Japanese Navy, to put together a battle plan which would involve the Japanese fleet completely eliminating America's Pacific Fleet at Pearl Harbor so that they could indeed take over the Pacific theater. High above, the Ayachi D-3A dive bomber with a 500-pound bomb between the wheel wells took aim on the battleship Arizona, dropped that 500-pound bomb right through the foredeck. It went down into that number 2 magazine. That great ship exploded with such force. The Arizona burned for the next 2 days. 1,177 of America's finest young sailors went to a watery grave that December the 7th morning. They sleep there today. The Nakajima B-5N Kate, a specially designed torpedo between the wheel wells on that December the 7th morning. 2 young lieutenants managed to get to Haleiwa. Lieutenants Ken Taylor and George Welch got their P-40 Warhawks into the air. Between the two of them, they managed to shoot down. They were credited with 4.5 aircraft. For over 2.5 hours, this continued. The second wave of 283 aircraft came in from the Imperial Japanese fleet. Listen to the sounds of war. Feel the concussion under your feet. Imagine yourself an 18-year-old serviceman. You're away from home for the first time in your life, and you're on the Nevada. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you that America did gain that inevitable triumph. It was 4 long years later. Millions of lives were lost throughout the world. But America pulled together. She pulled together like she had never done before. Think about the young little boy going through the neighborhood with his little red wagon, picking up scrap metal so that they could build B-17s and all of the machines and the ships and the guns and the ammunition. Rosie became a riveter, went to war building B-17s, B-24s, P-51s, all of the other aircraft that were being used by American forces during that time period. Moms and dads were putting together victory gardens in their backyard so that they could feed their family. People couldn't buy rubber tires. They couldn't get gasoline. Sugar was being rationed. All of the things that America was doing to allow our young men to go into battle. Torah! God bless you, Phoenix, Arizona. God bless America. A great big thank you to Tora for an outstanding air show. And hey, look who's